Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Games Up Nation Online. You know how we get it in. West side of Chicago, checking in Born Loose with my main man, DJ J, a.k.a. Mr. Club Banger.
That's what it is. What's up, people? Y'all already know who it is. Mr. Club Banger, a.k.a. DJ J, the Magnificent One. Big shouts out to Game Up. You know, we down here at the Born Loose with my brother, you know, Duck. Bad Boys, Bad Toys, getting it in Monday night. Yours truly on the ones and twos. We getting it in. HOC, CEO of HOC.
Yeah.
Represent y'all. Go check us out on our colors sorry about that, at Facebook and all that, you know what I'm saying? But in the meantime, y'all make sure y'all stay posted with Game Up, you know what I'm saying? These my motherfucking peoples. We fucks with each other. And don't forget about the Rep Your Colors concert coming real soon.
Real soon.
We got the little Facebook.
Throw your colors up, baby.
Yeah, I just got to eat some motherfucking chicken, so you might see some little chicken feathers and shit in my mouth.
Beer and chicken, Monday night. Born Loose, Bad Boys, Bad Toys. Gotta plug them too. Those are our people. We get down with them. We fuck with them. Y'all know how we get down. We
fuck with Duck.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
That's how we get down. But don't forget, Rep Your Colors concert coming real soon. He gonna get a date back to us real soon.
That's what it is. And like I say, just for those, for you all who's not really up on Rep Your Colors, again, just go on YouTube, type it up, Rep Your Colors, and you can see what we getting down. I mean, how we getting down, what we doing, and y'all need to definitely be a part. You know what I'm saying? We doing big things. Game Up, my niggas,
HOC,
Nino Brown.
Do it.
That's what it is.
On our colors, main man. Thank you for talking with us.
Mr. Throw Your Colors Up himself. Y'all already know.
Throw your colors up, baby.
White Eyes Blonde Pro.
Coming soon. Hey, next interview we will be interviewing Mr. Club Banger himself. Like he said, white hair.
Blonde Pro, y'all.
Blonde Pro. You know.
We getting up out of here. It's time for us to get up out of here.
Yeah, they kicking us out. So
peace out.
Check you later. Don't forget, check us out again on our website, GamedUpNation, SC.com. Get at us.
HOC!
Gee, yeah.